What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your Instagram Explorer page, right? Meaning when you click search, this is your Instagram Explorer page and you will see a bunch of different recommendations that Instagram is recommending to you based on your current activities, right? So these are the things that you will see in your page here, and also when you go to home, you will see some of those different things recommended to you as well. Sometimes you're seeing sponsored advertisements and so forth. And if I scroll down here on my homepage, you can see right here that this is a suggested to me. So these are some of the things that Instagram are suggesting to me based on those current activities, right? So how do you reset that? So the first thing you want to do, click on your profile on the lower right hand side, then go ahead and click on the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side. From there, you can first go under your activity, click on that. Then you want to go ahead and you want to have a look at your likes. So under interactions, click on likes and you will see some of the pictures or videos, whatever you may like here that you no longer want to have these things recommended to you. You can go ahead and you can unlike them. So you can click on a single one and you can easily unlike it by simple double tap on the like. Or if you have multiple of them, you can simply go ahead and click on select and you can tap on each of those that you no longer want, right? And then at the bottom, you can simply tap unlike like that. Simply click unlike and that will unlike that current video or picture that you have there, right? Now, once you do that, guys, you can also go ahead and check under comments as well. So if you have a bunch of videos or pictures that you have commented, and let's say, for example, this as well have some effect onto the content that is recommended to you. So you can also go ahead and do the same by clicking on those videos or pictures that you've commented on, and you can delete those comments, right? So very easy stuff there. Now, once you finish with here, guys, go all the way back to your account center and you want to go ahead and open up your account center at the top there. Then you want to go ahead and click under your information and preferences under the account settings there. Then you want to click on your search history. Then go ahead and choose the account in question here. If you have multiple accounts, you just need to select the one. If you have just one account, you will just open the one account. Then if you have some things that you have searched for under your search history, you can go ahead and you can close those searches. Right now, as you can see, I have nothing because I haven't searched for anything as yet. But that's how you can go ahead and close those things. Now, there's other things that you can do, guys, by simple searching for things that you are so interested in. So if you're interested in a particular picture or content, then you can start searching for what you are interested in, start liking them, start commenting them, and over a period of time, Instagram will eventually start to recommend more of the content that you are liking, and eventually weed out those content that you're no longer interested in. And that's how you can easily go ahead and reset and clear your Instagram Explorer page. So that's a very useful tip, guys. I really hope that you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and also go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you found this useful. Thank you very much and see you next time.